have called many places home. The place where I was born and grew up, my hostel room in Calcutta, and my Bangalore apartments. For Akshay, being from an Air Force family, the list is even longer. But this place here, where Akshay and I started our married life, was our first home together. Each home has been special to me, each filled with its own unique memories. I'm a person who doesn't like change. I love being in my comfort zone. Places and people provide that comfort to me. I've been to many places and spent my life there, but I have never been alone or on my own. I've always had people around me, good people, whom I call family and friends. These four walls have protected us, loved us, and I hope we returned the same love and nurturing it needed. We decorated it and kept it clean with care. Every piece of decor, every bit of cutlery was chosen with heart. I get attached to the homes I've stayed in and the things I've used for long. It's hard for me to let go of these things. People say we shouldn't get attached to things and that we should learn to let go. But I guess I'll never be able to learn this. But life doesn't always go according to what we want. So here we are, packing every piece of cloth, every piece of furniture, every kitchen item, every art and decor. It's time for us to call a new place our home. We finally left for the storage place. We didn't want to sell our stuff, so we decided to store everything in the storage. The storage facility was about 2 hours away from our place, and we left quite late because it took us a lot of time to pack and load the stuffs. By the time we reached, it was almost 10 pm. Fortunately, we could enter the facility. This is how the facility looks. We got ourselves this 10 by 20 storage. It was spacious enough to store our stuff, and also we wanted to store our car as well, as we didn't want to sell it off. By the time we were done, it was almost 12 am at midnight. We had to drive the truck all the way back. A lot happened that night. Once we were done and ready to head back, the truck wasn't starting. We had to call the customer care and then they sent someone to help. All this took some time, and by the time we reached home, it was quite late. Me and Akshay decided to spend our last night at this home. We still had stuff to pack and clean the house. We knew it was gonna be a long day the next day. We stayed for a few days at a friend's place. And finally, the day had come to leave California. Yes, we're not just moving to a different apartment, but to a different country altogether. By the end of the video, you'll know where we are heading next.